Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a 3D animated section with a mouse parallax effect on Wix Studio. So let's get started. So once you're in Wix Studio, on the right hand side give the height of your section 70 pixels. Now on the top left hand side click on the plus icon and now go into media, and now under videos choose any video you like. Now on the right hand side click on the three dots and click on advanced settings. Now make the width 100% and the height 120% so that it fits in the entire screen. Now just click on the video and click on the third icon that says behaviors, and now make sure it is set to automatically and it is no pause and there are loops. Now again from the top left hand side click on the plus icon, go into elements and now bring your logo and everything you want over here, including the header and the footer. Now once you bring the individual elements of the header, select all of them and make sure to click on stack. Now do the same thing for the footer, select all of them and now click on stack. Now just add the image you want to have the parallax effect on. Now right click on the image and click on place inside container. Now just click on the footer and make sure to choose under arrange bring to front to make sure that it does not stay behind the image. Now on the left hand side click on the layers icon and now click on the drop down on the left hand side of the container and click on image. Now on the right hand side go to the animation section and now choose mouse effect over here. Now just choose track 3D and click on adjust animation. Now use these settings as given. Now on the left hand side select the entire container and now click on loop animation and now choose breathe and now set these values. Now on the left hand side click on the plus, go into media and now go into transparent video and now just choose these moving clouds. Now choose width and height 150%. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.